The role of infrastructure development in property value growth. Author, Dr.Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss economist. Infrastructure development serves as a fundamental driver of economic progress and property value appreciation. By enhancing connectivity, improving living standards, spurring economic activity, and attracting investment, infrastructure projects can significantly impact the real estate market. This article explores the myriad ways infrastructure development influences property value growth and highlights its importance for investors, policymakers, and communities. Enhanced accessibility and connectivity. The most immediate effect of infrastructure development is the enhancement of accessibility and connectivity. The construction of new roads, highways, bridges, and public transit systems facilitates easier movement within and between regions. This improved connectivity makes areas more attractive to both residents and businesses, thereby increasing property demand and, consequently, property values. For example, the addition of a new metro line or bus route can drastically cut commute times, making the surrounding neighborhoods more appealing. Previously inaccessible or inconvenient areas can experience a surge in demand due to improved transportation links, leading to a rise in property values. Furthermore, enhanced connectivity often spurs the development of new business districts and residential areas, contributing to regional economic growth and increased property values. Improved quality of life. Infrastructure improvements often lead to a higher quality of life, making neighborhoods more desirable places to live. Projects such as parks, recreational facilities, schools, and healthcare centers provide essential services and amenities that enhance the livability of an area. For instance, the development of a new park or community center can create a vibrant community space, attracting families and individuals seeking a better quality of life. Access to high-quality education and healthcare is another critical factor in driving property values. Neighborhoods with excellent schools and modern medical facilities are often in high demand, leading to higher property prices. Additionally, infrastructure development can improve the overall aesthetics and safety of a neighborhood. Well-maintained streets, efficient waste management systems, and enhanced public spaces contribute to a cleaner and more pleasant environment, making the area more attractive to potential buyers and investors. Economic growth and job creation. Infrastructure development is a powerful catalyst for economic growth and job creation. Construction projects generate employment opportunities, and improved infrastructure can attract businesses and industries to the area. This economic activity boosts the local economy, increases household incomes, and raises the demand for real estate. For example, the development of a new industrial park or commercial center can attract numerous businesses to the area, creating jobs and stimulating economic growth. The influx of businesses and workers increases demand for both residential and commercial properties, driving up property values. This cycle of economic activity underscores the importance of infrastructure development for sustainable property value appreciation. Moreover, improved infrastructure can lead to the growth of new industries and sectors, diversifying the local economy. This diversification can make the region more resilient to economic downturns, further contributing to long-term property value growth. The presence of a diverse range of industries can attract a broader demographic, increasing the overall demand for housing and commercial spaces. Increased investment opportunities. Enhanced infrastructure attracts investment from both domestic and international investors. Improved transportation networks, utilities, and communication systems make an area more attractive for investment, leading to increased development and property demand. For instance, the development of a new airport or major transportation hub can attract significant investment, leading to a surge in property development and increased property values in the surrounding areas. Investors are drawn to areas with robust infrastructure because it reduces operational costs, enhances connectivity, and provides a solid foundation for future growth. Areas with advanced infrastructure are often seen as more stable and secure investments. Investors are more likely to invest in regions with reliable transportation, utilities, and communication systems, as these factors contribute to the long-term sustainability and profitability of their investments. This increased investment can lead to further infrastructure improvements, creating a positive feedback loop that drives continuous property value growth. Reduction in transportation costs. Improved infrastructure can lead to a reduction in transportation costs for residents and businesses. Efficient public transportation systems, well-maintained roads, and reduced traffic congestion save time and money, making an area more attractive to live and work in. For example, the construction of a new expressway or rapid transit system can significantly reduce commute times, making the area more appealing to potential residents. Businesses benefit from reduced transportation costs for goods and services, making the area more attractive for commercial investments. These savings can be reflected in higher property values as the area becomes more desirable. Reduced transportation costs can enhance the overall competitiveness of businesses in the area. Lower logistics and transportation expenses can increase the profitability of local businesses, attracting more companies to the region. This influx of businesses can drive up demand for commercial properties and increase the purchasing power of local residents, leading to higher residential property values. Enhanced safety and security. Infrastructure development often includes improvements in safety and security measures, such as better lighting, road safety features, and emergency response services. These enhancements make an area safer for residents and businesses, increasing the attractiveness of the area and driving up property values. For instance, the installation of improved street lighting and security cameras can create a safer environment, encouraging more people to move into the area. Enhanced safety measures reduce crime rates and increase the sense of community well-being, making the area more desirable and driving up property demand. Infrastructure projects can also improve disaster resilience and emergency preparedness. Improved infrastructure can enhance the region's ability to respond to natural disasters, reducing potential damages and ensuring the safety of residents. These factors contribute to the overall stability and security of the area, making it more attractive to potential buyers and investors. Environmental benefits. Modern infrastructure development increasingly incorporates environmentally friendly practices and technologies, such as green building standards, sustainable transportation options, and improved waste management systems. These environmentally conscious improvements can enhance the appeal of an area, attracting residents who prioritize sustainability and driving up property values. For example, the development of a green public transportation system or the construction of energy-efficient buildings can create a more sustainable and attractive environment. Areas that embrace sustainable infrastructure practices are likely to see increased demand from environmentally conscious residents and businesses, leading to higher property values. Green infrastructure projects can also contribute to the overall health and well-being of residents. Improved air quality, reduced pollution, and access to green spaces can enhance the quality of life, making the area more desirable. These environmental benefits can attract a diverse demographic, including young professionals, families, and retirees, further driving up property values. Conclusion. Infrastructure development is a critical driver of property value growth. By improving accessibility, enhancing quality of life, stimulating economic growth, attracting investment, reducing transportation costs, increasing safety, and providing environmental benefits, infrastructure projects can significantly increase the value of properties in the surrounding areas. For investors and policymakers, understanding the role of infrastructure development in property value growth is essential for making informed decisions and maximizing returns. Investors should carefully consider the potential impact of infrastructure projects when evaluating real estate opportunities. Policymakers, on the other hand, should prioritize infrastructure development to foster economic growth, improve quality of life, and create sustainable communities. By recognizing the symbiotic relationship between infrastructure and property value growth, stakeholders can work together to build a prosperous and resilient future.